Hello guys, I'm Vinayak from niftinayak.com. Today I will be talking about a bank nifty strategy which one can implement in the August series. So you all know bank nifty has not made an all-time high which it had made previously, whereas all other indexes like Nifty, European index, US index all made an all-time high. So everyone expected Bank Nifty also to make an all-time high very soon, but unfortunately that is not happening. Okay, and there is a very famous proverb: "What never goes up simply goes down." So let's see how we have to trade Bank Nifty for the August series. Okay, so I hope you guys can see the chart on my screen here. So here you can see that this is the Bank Nifty daily chart. So we had a cup and a saucer formation. So this was the cup, this was the handle, and everyone thought that there will be a breakout and market will continue to go higher. But unfortunately you can see markets fell down. Now it has formed a double top pattern. Okay, so let me just clear this. Now you can see that it has formed a double top pattern. Okay, so now we wait for the market to go beyond this. So the first condition is it should go beyond this. The second condition is the volume should be very high. Okay, so you can check how the volume is in HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, SBI, and Bank Nifty futures for the month of August or July if it happens in the current week. The third one, which is more important, you should see follow through after this range has been broken. Okay, so now Bank Nifty is weak, the markets are also weak, markets are crashing everywhere in the world. So I am not expecting market to go above this. So now when you know that this is the range which has broken down, we will not take the risk of going short in the market by shorting it in the futures. Okay, because as you all know, if you short in futures and if things reverse, because we are yet to have many banks to announce their result. We have SBI which is yet to announce its result. We have Kotak Bank which is yet to announce its result. So you never know what will happen when these companies come out with their earnings. Many times SBI has come out with wonderful results and turned the game of the Bank Nifty. So we don't take any chances. So let me tell you how you have to trade. So let me just delete this. Okay, so now we know that this is the range and it looks like Bank Nifty is going to break this range. Okay, on the lower side. The moment the three conditions are met, which I just explained you now, you can aggressively sell this call option, which is 35,800 call option in the month of August. So let us see what is it is trading at. So I'll go to the August expiry. So you can see this Nifty, sorry, let me change it to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty August. Okay, so you can see that 35,500 has the highest open interest. 35,800 has a value of 385. So you can sell this around 300 and at the same time you can buy 35,000 call option in order to hedge your trade. So let's go to the Opstra and check what will be the payoff graph. Okay, so let me just explain you in this. Okay, so we go to the Bank Nifty options August. So we sell 35,800 call. You can sell two options and you can buy 35 5, what was that, 35 500, right? 35,000, sorry, 35,000 call options. One. Cool. So now you can see that this is how the payoff graph will look like. Okay. So even if market continues to fall further, you can close this call option what we have bought, so that it becomes a naked option sell which you have. But that is okay. You will be having a minor loss in this call option what you have bought. But you can see that you do that only when you get conviction. Okay. When markets continue to fall, you just close this, continue to carry this call option what you have sold, and by the end of August you will be making at least 3 to 5% of your capital. Okay. So now it is trading at 700. You can keep this as probably 500 or 400. Okay. So even if you are exiting this at 400, you can see that by the end of August, for a capital of approximately 3 lakhs, you will be making 12,000 profit, which turns out to be 4%. And let me tell you, in 1 month, if you can make 4%, it is a wonderful trade. Okay. So this hedge, what we have taken, is only for temporary in case if things don't work initially. But if things are working in our favor for some time, then you can close that with a minor loss, and you can book that in the this trade. Okay. So this is the trade what I am going to do probably in this week or probably in the last week of July. Okay. This is what I am expecting, and this is what may happen for Bank Nifty. I hope you guys like the video. So do like and subscribe to my channel so that you can learn more about trading and investment. Thank you guys for watching.